Hello everyone, this is Mr. Miller. This is the video that shows you how to do your body paragraphs. I'm only going to go through one body paragraph because they're all exactly the same, okay? So you would start off the first body paragraph. I wrote, blood is the best horror story because of setting. Setting is my first part of the first reason why I like the story. So I pick setting. It's as simple as that, okay? So, and then I would then move and then say, I need to explain where a good quote can be found in the horror story and choose and then provide a quote. So you would have to actually look at the story or maybe look at your notes, depending. And I'm talking about setting. So it says it takes place in a pet shop. So you need to have something that talks about it being in a pet shop. So a good example of the setting can be found at the beginning of the story, or maybe I wanted to write something else instead of the beginning of the story. It could be found, you could say, on page 1, and then I put a period. So few customers visit my shop, perhaps 3 out of 4 people a day. They watch the animals in the cages but seldom buy them. So I have that. I found that right on page 1, and I just typed it in there, and that is what I got. And you need to have a citation, which would be at MOVA, and then the page number that I found it on. So that's what it is. And then I need to explain and defend myself. So in most horror stories, the setting is in some stereotypical location, like a haunted house or in a haunted campground. But having the story in a pet shop, the author is making a truly creepy setting because horror movies do not take place. I should say, or stories do not take place in pet stores, which makes the story scary. Okay? And then I end it right there. And then to sum up, this proves that blood is the greatest horror story of all time. Simple. And then what I would do is, moving forward, I would go to body paragraph 2, and I would do the same thing. And I would start it over, and I would be like, a second reason, blah, 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 blah. And it would be about the supernatural events. And then I would do the exact same thing. And then I would do it a third time on paragraph 3, and it would be about the theme. So that is basically your body paragraph. It seems like a lot of work, but once you get it down, it is perfectly A-okay. You'll be perfectly fine. Thank you for watching.